Very beautiful, yeah. This is the scene from the top veranda. And yeah, it's a high profitability. This is a dresser with 3 downlights and a whole bunch of cupboards in this walk-in cupboard. Yeah, this is the bathroom over here with nice deep drawers. De grote ongeveer nemen. Dit was niet jouw oordeel, want ik weet niet om doeken aan te zetten. Ik heb nou nog wat gezet om uit te kijken wat de kant is boer en wat de een is onder. Daar trap ik je dingen zo mooi aan. Sorry, is op de andere kopjes krijgen. Sorry.
Je langpunt. Kan je langpunt geven? Okay. There we go. Kijk maar met Duits hier achter. Wat doe je? Parys. Kom nou. Wacht. Nou. Ik zeg die weinig maar so in as wat ek probeer.
Yep.
Okay.
So there's this amazing balcony up here, and this is what you wake up to in the morning from the main bedroom. Well, okay, so
This is the ensuite. Here we've got a nice large makeup area with another pop-up plug over here for your convenience.
and 3 downlighters.
Yes, so the client actually just moved into this area yesterday, so they're still prepping it and getting it ready,
Well,
but it looks amazing already.
yeah, it looks amazing.
So I think they're
So
gonna
tell
be
me,
happy.
these cupboards, did you guys fit the glass as well or not?
Yes, so we ordered the doors, we ordered the glass, and then we adhered them together with nice strong glue. Let them for about 2 days just to cure properly, and then we pop them on. So they're just like normal doors.
Yeah, fantastic.
So all of the mirrors are upper storage. You've got storage in the drawers. Over here we've got a bin.
A bin as well?
Yes, and then this side we've got a laundry basket. Just because they have so much space,
Yeah,
it was just convenient to do it this way.
yeah.
Yeah, so here we've got cupboards over this side. They're planning to put a nice big ottoman over here. And then
And
here
then-
we've got
Sort of a
her
walk-in.
dressing room,
Her
her
dress-
dressing area. With those nice niches
Just love
and a
it.
lovely touch of pink that she's added in there.
Mm.
So we've got this matte grey and this nice warm wood grain going throughout the whole house.
This is a study that we also did.
Yeah, this used to be a small balcony,
Mm.
but they've got this very nice large balcony facing the river, and this one just faces the garage space.
Mm.
So there was a lot of ideas about what to do with this space, and then finally the client decided to do it a little private study, which is so convenient. If you have to work late or do some work and you just want some privacy, it's the perfect spot. So it really turned out nicely.
Hi, Vaal, gee
my phone.
Kom maar daar. Hmm? Jy bang vir die kamera ou was? Wat miskien. Die dag is nou so mooi. Oh, it's beautiful, yeah. So peaceful. Yeah, Alika. It's so beautiful here, isn't it? Huh? So it's me and Alika just taking a stroll down, right down to the river, and we can see the river. Pick you up. Oh, this time of the day it's right. Yeah. Waai vir ouma, daar's ouma. Waai vir ouma. Sê hallo ouma. Dan 'n bietjie daar. Oef. Dit is 'n bietjie lekker.
We are going where a unicorn's farm.
Oef.
Oh boy. Dink jy like Alika's skoene? Today we are going to the farm. We are just gonna move out this part, and then we are gonna go by the unicorn part, and then I'm gonna ride up the unicorn part. It's so gonna be so.
The light's too poor. Let's go.
We can be done, right?
Yeah, we need better light. Ooh. Yeah.